Hi guys, my name is Osama Sophia and welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe. In today's video we are going to be making a wrap skirt, and for making this wrap measurement is as shown on the screen. So for now I'll measure out 20 inches as the length. I'll start with using 20 inches as the length, and I'll measure out the hip of it. And you can see the fabric is folded into two. You can see, because of the space, I don't have enough space here, that's why I folded it into two. And now I'll measure out the hip measurement is 36. Divided by 2 is 18. So now I'll add extra 3.5 inches to the 18 inches of the hip. Since it's a wrap skirt, it will go round to the other side. That's why I'll add extra 3.5 inch to it, and it will give me about 21.5 inches, and 21.5 inches times 2 is about 43 inches. That will be the full round measurement of the skirt. And now I'm going to measure out the dart. That measurement is 4.5. That's what I'm going to use for the dart. And the length is about 4 inches. Measure out 4.5. And 4 inches for the darts. Now I'll flip the material to the other side. From the opposite side, should be at the down part. I'll measure out 6 inches, and from now I'll come out by 8 inches. Mark 8 inches here. From the waistline, I'll come down by 10 inches. I'll join them together and cut off the 6 inches part. Angled edge, cut it off. So now guys, I'm going to take a round measurement of these edges, this curved part from down to the waistline. And remember the fabric is folded into two. The measurement I have here is about 35.5, and 35.5 years, and times 2 to give me the actual measurement of this skirt. Now I'm going to use this measurement to cut out fabric. That is the measurement of this round curve. These are the fabric I cut out with that length, about 5 inches wide. I also cut out the same 5 inches wide for the band of the skirt. Remember, I used the 20 inches as the length. So now I'll be going to the sewing machine to join those pieces together to get we'll join the other one, this one, for the curve that I'm going to use for the curve that I measured out earlier. Now I'll be joining that piece to the curve. You can see I'm adding it to the skirt like so, and as I sew, I print. As I sew, I print, I make plates on it. This is the reason why I added extra 20 inches because I'll be printing. You can add more if you want your plates to be very many, to be fuller, so you can increase the inches you added. You can make it times 2, the exact measurement you have on the skirt, you make it double of it. Now I'm through with the plate making. You can see how it is a bit done. Before anything else, I'll make the dart. Remember, I made sure that the dart earlier. Now I'll make the dart. Now I'm going to overlock, that's fold in the edges of the plate I made to make it neat. I'll fold in. So guys, this is the finished look of the wrap skirt. You can see the band is very long. I added extra 20 inches to the length of the band. That's the waist measurement, the hip measurement I had. I added extra 20 inches to the left and the right side of it so that I can be able to tie it at the back. You can see how beautiful it is. And the width of the band is about 5 inches. I used 5 inches, and when folded into 2, I had 2.5 inches. Half inch sewing allowance, I was left with 2 inch, so the width is 2 inch. Guys, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching today's video.